Hey everybody, Chef Ben here, Spicefield Kitchen. Today we're going to do chopping, very basic function. So I'm just going to grab a red pepper here and show you how I like to chop a pepper. So I cut this pepper in half first of all, very simply. I'm going to take out the seeds and stem. Now we have 2 halves of a pepper. Always put the flat side down of anything you're cutting. This rocks a little bit, so it's going to move around too much. Flat side down. Point the tip of my knife into the board, and it's a rocking motion that's going to be able to give me a uniform width of this cut so that all the ingredients going into whatever I'm making are about the same thickness. Okay? Let's do that again. Flat side down. Tip of the knife is basically welded to the board, and now we are just forward rocking, moving the knife forward and bringing the back of the knife down, and the knife is never leaving the cutting board. This is the most controlled way to chop and by far the safest. So if this is your first time cutting something on your own, you're in great hands. Thanks for coming out. We look forward to seeing you on our next tutorial video.